Hey Joshua, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode is this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a weighted blanket. So for this one I've actually been using for quite some time and actually works really well. Before I actually talk more about the product itself, let me actually show you guys what the product looks like first. So for this one, we actually open up the product itself and see they provide you guys this instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it, how it works, and how to maintain the product itself and how to keep it clean. They even have some reminders right here in the bottom if it's your first time using it, and it shows you guys in the back right here on how to clean it. But when you guys take a look at the actual product itself, you guys can see that this is what the product looks like right here. Let me actually take it out first. So once you take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. So this one that we got right here is like a quilted material. There's some of them that has like the firm material such as these right here. But regardless of which type of weighted blanket you guys get, it should all work the same way. It's just the material on the outside of the blanket is different, whether it be fur or this kind of material. Usually the inside, they have the same type of stuff inside. I believe the one that I got right here is around like 15 to 25 pounds, around that range. So if you guys want a heavier one, you guys can definitely get a heavier one. But if you guys want a lighter one, you guys can definitely get a lighter one like these. But definitely love the material on here because it feels really nice compared to the fur one. Obviously the fur one will feel nice as well and super soft. So I've actually been using this blanket almost every day just out here and not even in my bed. But if I wanted to, I could definitely use it as my bed as well. So when I use it in the living room, I could just literally put it on myself and just sleep here because it feels so comfortable, like someone's hugging you. Let me show you guys what I mean. You guys can see how big it is. I can't even fit it into the actual screen itself. But literally all I need to do is go like this, like a regular blanket. And it really feels so comfortable, like literally someone is like laying on me or hugging on me. You definitely get that comfort feeling and warm feeling when you actually put it on. What I recommend is that when you guys buy these weighted blankets, don't buy too heavy if you guys are not used to the weight, because it'll probably be a little bit hard for you guys to get back up. But you can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. Let me actually show you guys what it actually would look like on the bed when I actually have this on. Alright, so I got my weighted blanket right here. I'm gonna hop on right here and show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys have it on. Alright, so once we have it on, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like for this one right here. So once I have it on, you guys can see that it actually feels really comfortable. You definitely get this like comforting feeling where someone is like on top of you, give you guys a hug or something. You definitely feel a little bit of the weight on top of you guys. For the one that I have right here, it's not like too heavy. It's just right to the point where it actually feels really nice. And it definitely will help you guys fall asleep much easier as well compared to like your normal blanket. And once you guys get back up, you guys can see it's pretty easy to get up. It's not that heavy. Obviously, if you guys want it to be heavier, you can definitely get like the heavier weighted blanket. And welcome back, guys. So now I guess all the quick test of product itself, you guys can see it actually does work and works quite well. Definitely super comfortable and super amazing when I actually use this product itself. Obviously, when you guys first buy any type of like weighted blanket, you guys want to make sure you guys wash it before using it because you guys don't know where it's been, so you want to make sure it's clean before using it. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we do unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of like weighted blanket in general are super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially for those of you guys who want that like comforting feeling where someone's hugging you and also that warm feeling as well. You guys can definitely get both of that in this one product right here. And these are especially worth it for those of you guys who have anxiety or if you guys have stress. Using any type of like weighted blanket definitely will help you guys release some of the stress, anxiety, and like the pressure you guys have on yourself. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.